Hey guys, what's up? It's Jamie. I'm just talking real quick about what's the best overall major to take if you're just bent on going to law school. Like, if if since you were born or whatever, like you're just like, I just want to go to law school. That's the main thing I want to do. I want to be an attorney, and you've done your research behind it, and you feel like college is just a means to an end. You're not really sure what to major in. I would say based on things that I've heard from my professors and some other studies I've read and what I've seen is that your best bet is to be an English major because when you do English, you're used to doing a lot of comprehensive reading from a variety of sources, and when you take your LSAT, you're going to be reading um, quite a bit and analyzing that reading, which you'll do as an English major. And in law school, you're going to be doing a lot of writing and reading. And being an English major kind of prepares you for that. And to supplement the English major, you probably want to do something like take a logic class or two, just help keep that part of your brain going, the logical reasoning, and maybe like a business class, just to have a general business sense, because a lot of law relates to business, because law obviously deals with business in pretty much every aspect. And maybe something like a public speaking class, just to help you, so that you're not like just someone who sits there and does nothing but reads and writes. Got to have a little bit of the extroversion too, especially if you're going to do anything before the court. Now, is that going to make you a great attorney? Not necessarily, because a lot of people who are great attorneys actually don't go to like the world's best law school. They were English majors, this or that. They just happen to be um, really good at talking with juries. They happen to be really good at talking with people. They know how to talk to their clients. They know how to network. And at the end of the day, you can be very intelligent. You can be very articulate in your writing, um, but you know that doesn't really cut it when a lot of the aspect of law is being able to relate and deal with people, especially when it comes to the business side. So if you're going to have your own business or you're going to do a lot of trial work, you have to have that side kind of supplemented. But as far as the LSAT is concerned, as far as your law school performance is concerned, your greatest way to get the most success in your score and in your law school exams would be to major in English, making sure you're doing a lot of reading and writing, and then to supplement that with a little bit of logic. Obviously, there's a bit of logic involved, at least on the LSAT. At the law school, you'll find that gets thrown out the window sometimes. And then, of course, like little things here and there, some business and public speaking, just to give you a broader spectrum of what you're going to be seeing when you're looking at contracts or property or this or that, because those are all related to business fundamentally in most of the cases. So that's just a suggestion for me. It's not just me who's looked at it. I've actually been told that by several professors that statistically people who are English majors do better in the LSAT and write better as law exams just because they're so used to writing and they're so used to analyzing. So I hope that helps. If you were really gun ho on law school and you didn't even care, like college was just a means to an end. Um, but yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them, and I'll come back at you with what's going on with me. Right now, I'm just doing a lot with my student chapter of actually a Federalist Society. I'm trying to get a showing of 10 rules for dealing with police. If you didn't know that already, I'm very big into rights and to people exercising rights, and so I just really want to get everybody up to date on what your rights are, because I feel like I've had to pay $50,000 in law school just to figure out what my rights are, aka to the extent of what police officers and the government's going to give me kind of rights, um, at least not use coercion on me, or at least magically through the courts not use coercion on me. But yeah, so I hope everybody's doing well, and I'll talk to you soon. God bless.